Apprendre le français, le verbe de ménage. Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. As you can see on our title is Apprendre le français, le verbe de ménage. What is our verb de ménage? Ang verb natin to clean. Okay, our verb de ménage today is laver. Laver. This is very practical because we use this in our everyday lives, okay? In our everyday lives, every day we wash or clean something, okay? Siya naglalaba siya, by hand pa. Kasi merong hand wash na damit and meron din namang ilagay sa machine, okay? Example, nous lavons les fenêtres pour plus de lumière. Laver means to wash or clean something. This is simple, useful, and perfect for our daily routines. Okay, are you ready? Let's go! Tara na! On y va en français to conjugate the verb laver au présent. The verb laver. A while ago is washing, laver les vêtements. Laver din po yun, to wash. Ito naman, laver les vitres o les fenêtres. Fenêtre po is windows, okay? To wash the windows. So we can use that also, to wash, because we also clean that, okay? So, laver. Laver. May UR siya, pero we pronounce it as a laver. Okay? How to conjugate the verb laver, to wash or to clean something. First, je lave. Je lave. Halimbawa, je lave les vêtements. Je lave les fenêtres. Je lave or I wash. Okay? Then we have tu laves. O S yan, pero on prononce pas le S. Tu laves. You wash. Then, il lave. He washes, okay? Elle lave, she washes. On lave, we wash. Then we have nous lavons, parce que nous is on, O-N-S, non, nous lavons. And then vous lavez is vous, vous lavez, you wash, pluriel. And il lave, hindi po siya lavant, no? Il lave. May konting o siya sa dulo. Il lave, they wash yun. And elle lave, they wash din po yun, pero mga babae na yun. Sa si femina, okay? They, that means they. Example, nous lavons les fenêtres pour laisser entrer plus de lumière. Ibig sabihin na, nous lavons, we wash the windows. Fenêtres are windows to let in more light. Laisser entrer. Entrer is to come in. Plus de lumière. De lumière. Lumière is light. Lumière. Okay, so let's repeat. Je lave. Tu laves. Il lave. Elle lave. On lave. Nous lavons. Vous lavez. Il lave. Elle lave. Hindi siya lavant. No, please be careful. Okay? So, you can use this every day in our daily lives. Okay, je lave. Okay? Qu'est-ce que tu laves? Je lave mes vêtements. Okay. Alama? By hand? Oui, parce que c'est fragile. Okay? Merong hand wash kasi at meron tayong pwede sa machine because they are fragile. Fragile. Okay? Sa French and English. Okay, so please don't forget the verb laver. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, at comment po for more videos. Ciao, ciao!